Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Michael King back again with another video. So this is when we're analyzing the EURUSD. And I can see this EURUSD on the daily time frame. I already marked some levels on EURUSD. I'm going to explain all these levels I marked from this period down to what's happening on EURUSD currently. So you can see that during this period right here, you can see that price fell all the way down to this point and price met the support level right here, as you can see. Support level right here, retail price, and price met a resistance level right here. So this resistance level right here on EURUSD during this period, retail price the first time, second time, and even the third time. And when price rotated the third time, price fell all the way down to this point, and price met another major support level right here, as you can see. Price even broke this previous support level, and price met another support level right here. So this support level right here, retail price, and probably an attempt to retest this level that was once a support level. As you can see, this level now acting as a resistance level for EURUSD, and the share price and price fell all the way down to this point to retest this support level right here. So this support level right here, retail price once again, but price made an upward movement a little bit, and midway price rejected and price fell all the way down to this point, and price met a major support level right here. So currently on EURUSD, this is like the major support level, and I will keep calling it a major support level until price of EURUSD can fall all the way down, breaking this level right here. So you can see that during this period, when price rejected in this support level, price went up to retest this level right here that was once a support level. But as you can see, this level rated price and price fell once again all the way down to this point. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to switch to the H4 time frame so I can show you guys a wider view of what's happening on EURUSD currently. So this is EURUSD on the H4 time frame, and I'm going to take you guys back all the way to this period right here when price first met the major support level right here. So you can see that when price fell all the way down to this point, this level rated price and price went up, and price was consolidating for a while in between a minor resistance level right here and a minor support level right here, until eventually, if I'm trying to show you guys the data right here, you can see that eventually price broke this minor resistance level right here to meet the major resistance level right here, as you can see. So when price made this level right here, you can see that price fell all the way down to this point, even breaking this major support level right here to test a minor support level right here. So now I'm going to show you what's happening on EURUSD currently on the H4 time frame. So you can see that currently price is having difficulty to break this major support level and also this minor support level, because you can see that anytime price gets to this level, it's always rejected. And currently right now you can see that price is currently above the major support level right here, and we have like a level right here which I marked because you can see that price is always having rejection once price gets to this level. So I'm going to explain to you now how you're going to trade EURUSD this coming week. So for you to trade EURUSD, depend on if you are thinking of buying or if you are thinking of selling. If you are thinking of selling EURUSD, then I will advise you to wait patiently for price to probably break this level and probably break this level. Then you can place a sell stop order right below it and apply price management. Or you can wait for price to maybe rise to test this level right here. So this level was once a support level, as you can see. So if price can get to this level with my suggestion candle, you can place a sell stop order right below it and apply price management. Or you can also sell at this point. That is, if price make an upward movement up to all the way to this point, if you can do, you can also place a set stop order right below it, apply price management. But if you're thinking on buying EURUSD, you can see that this level is currently rejecting price. So you have to wait for price to fully break this level. Then if you see retracement candle, maybe price will trace to test this level right here. Place a buy stop order right above it, apply price management. Or you can wait for price to even break this level, depending on how patient you are. Wait for price to break this level, then you can buy at this point right here. So that is how you can trade EURUSD this coming week. If you did enjoy, hit that like button to share to your friend and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.